We're specifically making this video just to show.
Yes, we need more interesting videos, I guess. So, how about us just throwing money around? Here's $2,500 because we're not broke. We got money. We're floating. Oh,
wait. Let me see this.
Hold on.
What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's over $5,000 on this card.
8.
So obviously
9,
we're loaded. I don't
10,
need you, girl.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27.
Yeah, so obviously
You see this?
I'm doing something right because I get over $10,000 cash.
Oh, get the fuck with it, dude.
But hold on, we're not interesting.
Dude, what is it? 1 minute and 12 seconds. I bet you everybody watches this video.
Amazing video.
Yep.